Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit a page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. Once the page is loaded, this is how it will look like. So right now, go here to the left, and then you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to design and customize your site. So right now, if you want to delete any page or any menu, go here to the left. Here, you're going to find add element, add section, and underwards, you're going to find pages and menu. Go ahead and click on pages and menu, and then just go to the menu that you want right here. And then here you're going to find all of the pages. So for example, right now, I'm going to delete one page, for example, the return policy. Just go to the page, click on these three dots right here. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find delete. Click on delete. And then you're going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete your page? Click on delete. And then as you can see, guys, the page is deleted. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.